Today in the online class session of accountancy, I will explain you the topic writing off discount or loss on issue of debentures. The loss or say discount at the time of issue of debentures can be written off from the statement of PL account, that is profit, or the premium at the time of issue of debentures, because premium itself is a profit at the time of issue of debentures. So that profit or the profit at the end of the year which the company is getting can also be utilized in order to write off the discount or loss on issue of debentures, right? Now, in order to explain you this topic, I am explaining you one question number 35. Let us read out the question. On 1st April 2012, a limited company issued 10% debentures of the face value of rupees 1,20,000. Right? The total value of debentures issued is rupees 1,20,000 and they were issued at a discount of 6%. Let us calculate the discount amount on 1,20,000 rupees debentures. 1,20,000 multiplied by 6%. See here, 1,20,000 multiplied by 6%, you will get 7,200. This is the amount of discount or say loss being suffered by the company at the time of issuing the debentures, and this loss or discount on issue of debentures is to be written off against statement of PL, that is profit of the company. Now, how or say what amount of debentures discount can be written off each year, that is needed to be calculated here. Okay, so for this, let us read the further portion of the question. The debentures are repayable by annual drawing. Annual drawing means yearly we have to just redeem the debentures of rupees 40,000. How many? What is the amount of debentures to be redeemed? Rupees 40,000. And this redemption is to be commenced from the end of third year. Means we have to commence or start the redemption process from the end of the third year. Okay, right? So this computation, we need to draw up a working note or say notes to account. Let us see the notes to account in order to just redeem rupees 40,000 debentures. See, this is the notes to account or working note. For writing of rupees 7,200 discount at the time of issuing the debentures. First, second, third, fourth, fifth. These are the years. Now, amount utilized. At the end of the first year, no amount of debentures were redeemed. Similarly, at the end of second year also, no amount of debentures were redeemed. But the redemption commences from the end of third year. Means in the third year also same amount of debentures will be outstanding, that is 1,20,000 rupees debentures. But when rupees 40,000 debentures will be redeemed at the end of third year, then its effect can be seen in the fourth year. 1,20,000 minus 40,000 debentures redeemed by the company, we will get answer 80,000 rupees. 1,20,000 minus 40,000, 80,000 rupees. Similarly, at the end of fourth year, 40,000 rupees debentures will be redeemed. Okay, then what amount of debentures will be left behind? 40,000 rupees debentures. Okay, and when at the end of fifth year, rupees 40,000 debentures will be redeemed, then we will get nil debentures outstanding in the sixth year. So we have not posted sixth year in this notes to account, right? Now we have to take the ratio of this amount utilized. Okay, the ratio can be taken by dividing these all the debentures outstanding in various years. ठीक है, right? 40 here, 40, 40, 40 and 40 means all these 4 zeros will be cancelled. We will, the amount or the values left behind will be 12, 12, 12, 80, 8 and 4. Now we need to just divide 12, 12, 12, 8, 4. ठीक है, we can divide these all the values left by 4. 4 1 ja 4, 4 2 ja 8, 4 3 ja 12, 4 3 ja 12, 4 3 ja 12. So this will be the ratio. Okay, just take the sum total of these all the ratios of various years. We will get 12 as an answer, right? Total amount of debenture discount to be written off is 7,200. Okay, this 7,200 will be written off in this ratio, right? In the first year, okay, 3 upon 12, 1,800 will be the answer. Means rupees 1,800 discount amount will be written off in the very first year. Similarly, in the second year, 1,800 rupees debentures will be written off third year also. In the fourth year, 7,200 multiplied by 2 upon 12, we will get the answer 1,200. In the fourth year, we will get the answer 600. So these are the amounts of discount to be written off in various years. Okay, in the first year 1,800 debentures will be written off, debenture discount will be written off. In the second year, the amount of debenture discount to be written off is 1,800, third year also 1,800, fourth year 1,200 and fifth year 600 amount of debenture discount is to be written off, right? See the presentation of discount on issue of debentures with the help of ledger account. So we need to draw up the ledger account of discount on issue of debentures. Here is the ledger account. ठीक है, format of ledger account, date particulars amount, date particulars amount. Okay, right? Very first year 2012, April 1st, the amount of discount to be written off was rupees 7,200. Write it with the name or say posting on post the 7,200 amount of debenture discount on the debit side by the name of 10% debenture account. Okay, so the posting on the debit side of debenture discount will be by the name of 10% debentures account, right? Now at the end of the year, this 2012, will end on March 31st, 2013, and the amount of discount to be written off in at the end of this very first year is 1800, and this will be written off from the profit of the company by statement of PL account. The statement of PL account indicates the profit of the company, and this and out of the total profit, only 1800 rupees is utilized in the very first year to write off the debenture discount. Okay, right? Out of 7200, the amount of debenture discount remain left is 5400. Okay, this is the balance carried down, or the amount of debenture discount remain left or left behind to be written off in the preceding years. The same balance will be brought down on the opposite side, 2013 April 1st. Okay, 5400. In the second year also the same amount of debentures is to be written off, 1800 rupees. Already we have just calculated it in notes to account, and I have explained you notes to account. On the basis of that notes to account, we have to write off debentures every year by statement of PL account. 1800, 5400 minus 1800, what will be the amount left? 3600. Okay, right? The same amount will be brought down on the debit side, 2014 April 1st. This is the next year, the third year. Again the same process is to be adopted. ठीक है, by statement of PL account 1800, balance left is 1800. This balance carried on will be brought down in the next year, 1800. Now in the fourth year, you can see in the notes to account, in the fourth year, what is the amount of debenture discount to be written off? 1200. Okay, so right here 1200 rupees. 18 minus 1200, you will get 600 as balance carried down. This will be brought down in the next year. Okay, in the last year, how much amount of debenture discount is to be written off? See the notes to account, 600 rupees. Okay, the same amount I have written here. 600 minus 600, nil. Okay, you can see, notice one thing, in the second year, whatever posting on the debit side and the credit side we have made, okay, in the particular column, the same posting will be made in the preceding years also. 2014, to balance brought down, to balance brought down, by statement of PL account, by statement of PL account, by balance carried down, by balance carried down. Means whatever postings are made on the debit and credit side, starting or say commencing from the second year, the same postings will be made in the preceding years also. Okay, you can see, right? In the last year no balance is left, so no need to write to by balance carried down. Okay, only one difference is there in between second year and the preceding postings and the first year posting. Within the particular column we have written to 10% debentures account, that is the name of the debentures. Okay, this 10% is the coupon rate. ठीक है, right? Debentures account 7200, and rest postings in the particular columns are same. Okay, so this is the solution of question number 35. ठीक है, go through it. ठीक है, try to solve this question yourself twice thrice and you will gain perfectness. Don't think that once you solved it and you will become perfect in these questions. You have to revise twice thrice in order to become perfect. ठीक है, right? Try to solve previous question. Okay, question number 34, 33. Okay, if any problem arises you can ask from me, right? Okay, that's all for today.